Greetings, video nerds, Tech Nerd 1.0 here. Today we have an unboxing for you, and this is Rosco Manufacturing's
Rosco Beagle
Glock 19 pistol barrel. Quickly, I've used Rosco barrels before. As far as rifle barrels go, they are astounding, simply astounding. Cannot recommend them more. Saw this and thought I would take a chance on it. Let's take a look here. This comes in a simple slipcase, as you can see here, with their branding on it. This is, I believe, an English Bulldog. I'm sorry, I don't know, and if I'm wrong, leave a comment down below. But let's take a look. Just packaged pretty normally in some plastic.
Oh, just checking to see if I was standing on plastic.
Some paper around it. Get rid of that. And there we go. There is the barrel. And again, this is just a 9x19. Really nice work on the block here. There is a nice look at the crown. Beautiful, beautiful crown that we have. They refer to this as a drop-in barrel. The match grade option that enhances the accuracy and performance of any stock Glock pistol. Now, there's a lot of people are going to use this as a replacement, or they're going to use it as a build for a 19 Gen 3 clone, which is exactly what I am going to do with it. They say that these are designed with strategic beveled edges surrounding the chamber to reduce premature wear and tear commonly found on aftermarket barrels. I'm going to say that that is what we see here in these bevels. Bloodline barrel is designed to work with Glock 19 pistols generations 1 through 5, compatible with Glock 19 1 through 5, 19X, and Glock 45. No gunsmithing is required, and they are made in the US of A.
Get some!
The barrel length for this is 4 inches. This is made from 41/6R stainless steel. Twist rate is 1 in 10 right hand twist. The barrel crown, it says recessed with a 50-50 surface split, and it is melanited, electro-bore polished, and it uses pulled broach rifling, as opposed to what Glock would do, which is the polygonal rifling. As far as accuracy and durability, that will remain to be seen. If you would like to see this used in the field, leave a comment down below, and I'll get out to the range. We will test this against a polygonal barrel. I can use my 19X right here. Ease of installation, I would love to show that to you. However, YouTube would not like that. But let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like in a Glock pistol.
A few moments later.
Okay, here we are. Here's a look at it in the 19X. And I gotta say, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful lockup. No space, no wiggle, nothing. Beautiful beveled edges. Beautiful, beautiful barrel. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks good in there. Hopefully it performs well as well. Let's take a look against. Now this is the Glock barrel. That's the Rosco. And you can see pretty similar. Let's take a look at the polygonal rifling. And there is Rosco's rifling. Both look pretty good. The chamber, I do not believe, is fully supported. Not as critical in 9mm unless you're going to be firing really hot, like plus P plus loads, which you probably shouldn't be doing anyways. But I can see, I'm trying to get it in a better focus here, but it does seem to be thicker along the ramp with the Bloodline barrel than the standard Glock. That is a good thing. Does seem like the ramping is pretty much the same. Let's take a look at this in a clone build.
A few moments later.
And we're back. All right, so this is a clone build that I'm doing with the SCT frame.
This is the SCTV Television Network.
I believe I had this, I did a video on this before, stacking this up against a dagger frame. I'll include that up here somewhere if you want to take a look at that video. But yeah, about the same. Lockup is perfect. Absolutely, absolutely. Beautiful barrel. No issues. And that crown is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. As far as if this beveling really pays off later in durability or use, that remains to be seen. But it definitely looks nicer. And, you know, we'll see how this works. Let's go ahead and put in a 10-round magazine. No problem locking up. No issues. So this is going to be perfect for any Glock build you have, any replacement that you have. Now they are claiming that this is going to be better than the stock Glock barrels. Whether that remains to be seen or not, I don't know. Again, we'll try it out. But Glock's marksmanship barrels, the new ones, the Gen 5s, have a very, very good reputation. So that's going to be a big one to live up. Again, whether that says that this is going to be a better shooter or not, you know, we shall see. It's a big claim to say that you're going to be better than the standard Glock, but we'll see. So, folks, that is about it. If you have any other questions or comments, if you've used Rosco before, if you'd like to, if you'd like to know more about it, please leave a comment down below. Like them, don't like them. And remember, of course, like, share, and subscribe, and fire off a shot at that notification bell icon. Make sure you know when one of my new videos pops up, and we'll get to see how this performs. But there we are. That's it. The Gen 3 Rosco pistol barrel. Very, very nice. Get yourself one. Available for 90 Quatlos, which is an amazing. Again, folks, like, share, and subscribe. This is Tac Nerd signing out.